In this video, I'll show you how to use Anydesk on your phone to remotely control your computer. So, let's get started. First, download and install the Anydesk app on both your computer and your phone from the official website or app store. Once installed, open the app on both devices. On your computer, you'll see a unique Anydesk address on the screen. Now, on your phone, enter that address into the remote address field. After that, tap the connect icon to start the connection. On your computer, a permission request will appear. Click Accept to allow access. Once connected, you'll be able to see and control your computer screen directly from your phone. You can use touch gestures to move the cursor, click, scroll, and interact with your computer. If needed, you can also adjust settings like screen quality, controls, and keyboard options within the app. When you're done, simply tap Disconnect to end the remote session. And that's it. You can now control your computer remotely using your phone. Thanks for watching.